ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. We are taking up a new series, Exalted Planets in Different Houses, their effects and the remedies to it. Friends, exalted planets in good dignity, that is if they are influenced or associated with benefics, can be a blessing for your chart. Whereas if they are associated with malefics, they can create a turmoil in your life. In this video, we will learn all this in a very simple and easy way when we will move ahead, which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video, then at the end of it, please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start our topic, astrology the easy way. The next in the series would be exalted moon in the 9th house of a horoscope. As you can see the Lagna chart or main birth chart here, the first house always remain where ascendant is written. The number written here can change because these are Rashis or sign, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. Here 6 number stands for Virgo, 7 number for Libra, 8 number for Scorpio, 9 for Sagittarius, 10 Capricorn, 11 Aquarius, 12 number for Pisces, 1 Aries, 2 Taurus, 3 Gemini, 4 Cancer and Leo and so on, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. As you can see in this Lagna chart, moon is placed in the 9th house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th house and is lord of 11th house. As you can see, moon is exalted in Taurus sign, which is 2 number sign, and own sign of moon is Cancer sign. Now the results of exalted moon in the 9th house of a horoscope, when a benefic moon or benefic exalted moon is placed in the 9th house, it can bless the native with good results related to mother, father, profession, finances, fame, reputation, recognition, education, marriage, health, spiritual growth, etc. The placement of benefic exalted moon can prove to be a very good when it comes to bless the native with the creative abilities. Hence, the native may engage in creative field and he may also achieve success in his field. Native may be rich and wealthy, he has a very good prosperities, he is fortunate, he has luxurious comfort, but due to the nature of moon, his fortunes may be ups and downs, or his fortunes have many ups and downs. Native may be charitable, he will get his help from friends and relatives, he has a big circle of friends, he may be getting good financial gain with the help of his friend circle. Native's father may be rich and brave. Native and his father has very good attachment. Native may has good attachment with mother as well. Native may be religious by nature. He may be frequently visiting religious shrines. Native may have many short travels, and also natives most of the desires are fulfilled. He also may be famous in another place. Native may be suffering from cold and cough related issues, but basically his health would be sound. On the other hand, malefic exalted moon in the 9th house of horoscope can trouble the native with the problems related to mother, father, profession, marriage, reputation, finances and gains. In this case, the native may face problems related to mother as well as those related to his father. Now the remedies would be, if the moon is favorable in your chart, then the native should wear a pearl gemstone. Otherwise, he should chant moon mantra, which would be Om Shna Shri Shno Se Chandraya Namah. Also, he can wear a 2-mukhi Rudraksha. Also friends, these remedies are general remedies in nature. For specific remedies, I need to see the chart in totality. Then only I can recommend any specific remedy for a native. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911 351 351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।